that is some fresh mountain air.
Wow.
I think we are in Bawichivo. Looking for Mario. Mario? Hey, Mario. Hey. Ah.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás, amigo? Mario. No, está... There's a baseball game going on here. Our friend Mario, dile hola, Mario.
Hola, hola.
Mario just told us that they have baseball games, a new league every Sunday, cada domingo, sí. Y it's new. They've only been playing. Solo estaba jugando como dos domingos, no?
Sí, apenas.
Okay, it's new. It's only been playing for like 2 weeks or so. He actually plays first base for a local team. Every little pueblito has their own team. And now we're going to, vamos a San Isidro, ¿no?
Cerocahui y luego a
Cerocahui, San Isidro. O vamos a un hotel en San Isidro.
Cabañas.
Y a un rancho. Okay, ready for this hill?
Hola.
Mario just told us we were on what street?
Main Street of Bawichivo.
Main Street and
The only.
Main
and only.
Main and only. I like it. We are in the hometown of Mario. This is Cerocahui. Cerocahui, and 2,000 people live here.
Yeah.
And he says Mario has to behave himself because everybody in town knows him, and I would imagine everybody knows one another, so it kind of keeps everybody in check, I would imagine. Alright, we have made it to the Cabañas, a little rancherito. Hope there's food, I'm starving.
Who is it? Come on in!
Alright.
Welcome to our home for the next 4 nights. We're at San Isidro Lodge. It's a really cool cabin. Stained glass windows with bottles. We've got a mural on the wall.
Hopefully we don't run into this guy. A little closet with our pro packing tip, packing cubes.
We have our snack bar. Oh. With these pinole bites.
A little perrito.
This is an endurance athlete.
Hola, perrito.
Oh.
Sorry, we'll come back, baby.
Oh my gosh.
I just didn't want him in a room.
Family fun tour.
Didn't want him in a room.
No, this place is super cool. Literally. I prepared to come here and it'd be very, very hot because that's what Greg's been telling me. And it is brisk.
It's fresh.
It's very fresh.
It smells piney. Okay, we've got a little sink over here. Bathroom.
I'm gonna go pet that dog.
And I guess our tour guide is bored of the tour, so let's go pet a dog. That concludes our tour. Lily's still playing with the little puppy over here. But let's walk around this property. This is like this little ranch. See what's going on. Looks like there's a place where there's some crafts. Looks like there's some chickens walking around. Lily wants to take the puppy back home. And some different cabins. Maybe a trail or two. Let's go check it out. place is pretty cool.
He is awesome.
I don't know where we're at, but
There's cats and dogs.
there's cats, there's dogs. We're in the little restaurant Comedor, and it smells amazing in here already.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what they're cooking up. I have no idea
Where we are,
where
what we're doing with our
what we're
lives.
doing, what we're doing with our lives.
We're doing it right.
What kind of adventures we have to wait, but it will be exactly that, adventures. This soup, I haven't even tasted it. It looks like the best soup I've ever had in my life. You just had a bite.
It is the best soup you've ever had in your life.
It smells amazing. What kind of soup is this?
Calabacita.
Squash? Zucchini? Zucchini? One of the two. It looks so and homemade lemonade? Oh my god.
Can we move in?
I was about to ask. I will cook, I will clean, I will scrub toilets.
I will be the dog petter.
What? It's not a job.
Is this heaven?
Forget El Chepe. Forget the canyons. Forget the run. This hotel, the food. We've got spaghetti, pescado, frijoles, y un montón de tortillas.
Oh my gosh. Is this what running 50 miles feels like? Because it's so I'm out of shape.
What did we do to deserve this?
No, seriously, I keep saying that.
Nothing. I know the answer to that question. Nothing.
That
You said
was
anything,
like the best food I've had in a really long time. All of it.
but yes, we're not leaving.
Well, not for the next several days anyways, but we're just gonna
No, we're
roll
gonna stay
ourselves
here.
back.
We're gonna stay here.
Take a nap and then come back in a few hours for dinner.
Just when I thought it couldn't get any better than that food. Look at this view. Wow, that is breathtaking. For once in my life, I'm speechless. So far, our vow to ourselves to spend more time in nature this year is really not letting us down.
Gosh, no, it's not. It is not. Mother Nature, you win again.
She always does. Spotted some bluebirds, blue jays, bluebirds, I don't know.
They're like teal.
They're like electric blue.
But you gotta sneak up on birds.
We're gonna see.
Unlike Greg.
I'm not very sneaky.
Size 14. so I wanted to watch the sunset with Greg. Greg found himself a little kiddo to play baseball with, so I'm watching the sunset by myself, but look at it. This does not do it justice.
I think we found the next Derek Jeter out here.
No
This kid,
kidding.
Nesto.
He's 6.
He's 6. I just threw with him for, I don't know, 30 minutes. He's super good.
And he's still playing in the dark.
I couldn't see
He
it.
trains in the dark.
I had to tell him, I was like, all right, we're done. Or Nesto, I can't see the ball anymore. I'm going to get...
Black eye.
Yeah, black eye. Listen, we make our money with these faces.
That's the money
These are the money maker. No, I'm kidding. This is the money maker. This is why we're broke. And
Yeah.
no, but he's 6 years old. He can throw super hard. He can catch grounders, fly balls.
And you didn't even begin to wear him out.